$500 million. I said, you mean we lose $4.5 billion to defend them? And they're rich. So I called the country, right? I called the country. So we lose $4.5 billion for the privilege of defending a country that's very tough on us on trade and various other things, right? So I called, I said, listen, it's no good. Now, they were in a state of shock because they never got a call like this in 25 years, right? I said, it's no good. We're losing $4.5 billion. It's no good. We can't do this anymore. This is crazy. And he got very upset, angry. This is not fair. I said, of course it's fair. He said, well, we'll give you $500 million more because the budget, you see, had already been set and there's only a month left, so you know. I said, you know what? I want more. We argued. So they paid us more than $500 million for one phone call. It took me one call. Now, I'm not bragging. I hate the deal. No, one phone call. Ron knows. One call. It's the first call they've had in 35 years. I don't think they ever had a call. One-sided, horrible deal. So I said, it's okay. You know, I understand you have budgets. You know, you go through a budget. But next year, which now turns out to be in about 2 weeks, I said, we're going to call you for much more. You got to pay. You got to pay. Not fair. We're defending you and you're rich. You know, we can defend people. They're not rich and they're being horribly treated and human rights and all this. And that's different. These are rich countries. But think of it. One phone call, we pick up $500 million. That's not terrible. But now we're going to pick up a lot more. And we have that with many countries. Look, Saudi Arabia, very rich country. We defend them. We subsidize Saudi Arabia. They have nothing but cash. Right? We subsidize. And they buy a lot from us. $450 billion they bought. You know, you had people wanting to cut off Saudi Arabia. They bought $450 billion. I don't want to lose them. But the military, we subsidize Saudi Arabia. I called the king. I like the king. I said, King, we're losing our ass defending you, King, and you have a lot of money. Yeah. That's true. And he said, but why would you be calling me? Nobody has ever made such a call before. I said, that's because they were stupid. So we're working to deal with Saudi Arabia. So many things. So many things. I'll tell you what, honestly, it's easier than collecting $113.57 from a tenant in a bad location in New York City. And it's safer, too, believe it or not.